as I stand here right outside Yeshivat Hakotel, where we spent Purim all together, I wanted to share some of my reflections that I had on Purim. But in order for me to share my reflections, I want to compare it to something else. And what is even close to Purim? Let's pick the other Jeroboam holiday. Let's pick Hanukkah. What's Hanukkah all about? Hanukkah is all about open miracles. Hanukkah is all about Ben Adam Makom. Not only that, but Hanukkah is all about the spiritual, connecting to Hashem through the spiritual. Now let's look at Purim. Purim is all about Ben Adam Chavero, but not only that, what we also have that the miracle that we do is a hidden miracle. It's not something that was like, oh wow, like Yom Suf. It was something very small. Nobody ever noticed. Nobody ever noticed. Not only that, but it doesn't even say Hashem's name in the Megillah. And also, the Purim story is all about the physical. Now, let's look at something that is actually similar between the stories. And what's similar is connected to Hashem. In Hanukkah, we connect to Hashem through mitzvah that He commanded us. And in the Purim story, we also connect to Hashem through mitzvah that He commanded us. But what are these mitzvot? These mitzvot are dafka through bein adam l'chavero. And I want to take that one step further. I heard a story about the Chavetz Chaim. One of his Talmidim, during Purim, during the Masiba, he goes out, one of his drunk Talmidim, and he goes out in the party and he yells at the Chavetz Chaim, guarantee me a life in Olam Haba with you. I want to be in Olam Haba with you. And everyone pauses for a second. And they stare, waiting to see what the Chavetz Chaim responds. What does the Chavetz Chaim respond? He responds by saying, if you are able from this day on not to speak one more word of Lashon Hara, I guarantee you a place in Olam Haba with you. With me, the Chavetz Chaim! Don't speak another word of Lashon Hara. Talmud is in shock. He wasn't expecting that. And what does the Talmud respond to him? He says, Rebbe, I can't. I just can't. It's not possible. And the Chavetz Chaim responds, you were at the gates of heaven. You were at the gates of Olam Haba. And you decided to turn it down. You decided to walk away. What can we learn from this? That's not just doing the mitzvot that Ben Adam L'Makom. It's not just doing those mitzvot that Hashem commanded us, dafka, putting on tefillin, and wearing tzitzit. Those are super important. But just like those are super important, so too is the mitzvot of Ben Adam L'Chavero. Just like speaking Lashon Hara is such an evil sin, you should treat that as just like being Machal Shabbos. Both of those are not good things. So as I here standing today outside Yeshivat Hakotel, a place of phenomenal learning, Talmud Torah, Ben Adam L'Chavero is spectacular here. I want to share with you that we shouldn't treat the mitzvah of Ben Adam L'Chavero as just something that's like, it's nice and easy to do. What we learn here at Yeshivat Hakotel is that we treat Ben Adam L'Chavero ki'ilu Ben Adam L'Makom, and through that we connect to Hashem. Whether it's connecting to Hashem through Purim and Ben Adam L'Chavero, or connecting to Hashem on Hanukkah, Ben Adam